Hello everyone, good morning all. So let's have solve another SQL queries. They have given us the table employee table, and in the employee table employee ID and team ID column is given. Employee ID is the primary key for this table. Each row of this table contains the ID of each employee and their respective team. Write a solution to find the team size of each of the employees. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. Here what we need to find, write a solution to find the team size of each of the employee. Now if you see the sample employee table is given, so employee ID 1 2 3 4 5 6 is given and team ID is given. So now we need to find the team size of each of the employee. So if you see the team ID 8, so team ID 8 is available 3 times, right? For employee ID 1 2 and 3. So what is the team size of employee ID 1? We can say that team size of employee ID 1 2 and 3 is 3, because 8 is coming 3 times over here, right? Now team size for employee ID 4 is 1, because 7 is coming only 1 time, and team size for employee ID 5 and 6 is 2, because team ID 9 is coming twice, right? So below is the output. Employee ID 1 2 and 3 team size is 333, employee ID 4 team size is 1, and employee ID 5 and 6 team size is 2, because team ID 9 is coming twice, right? So now I have created the table and inserted the data into the same. I will put the script into the description box of the video. Now how we can solve this problem? We just need to do the group by team ID and count of team ID, because we want how all of the team ID, how many times it is repeating, right? So that is our requirement. So team ID 7 is coming once, team ID 8 is coming 3 times, and team ID 9 is coming 2 times. Now what we need to do? Now we need to do the join of this script with our main employee table with based on the team ID column. So that only I have done over here. I have done the join between team ID of the employee table in inner query, right? So based on the team ID column. So now if I run the query, now it will give me for team ID 1 it is 2, team ID 2 it is 2, team ID 3 the team size will be 3, like that it is giving. So this will be my output, right? Now let's see the another SQL problem. So here they have given us the departments table and students table. So in the department table ID column is there and name column is there. ID is the primary key for this table, and in the students table ID, name and department ID column is given. So ID is the primary key in the students table as well, and the department ID will be foreign key, which is matching with the department, which is matching with the ID column of departments table. Now find the ID and the name of all the students who are enrolled in the department that no longer exist. Here we need to find the ID and name of all the students who enroll in the departments that no longer exist. Return the result table in any order. So now this is the sample data over here, departments table and students table. Now 1 7 and 13 are there where they have enrolled. But now our requirement is Now our requirement is we need to find 14, 77, 74 and 33, right? Because in that no students has been enrolled. So I have created the table and inserted the data into the same. Here we just need to do left join between student table and department table, and we need to find that d.id will be null because that student's department id should not be exist in the department's id, right? So that is our requirement. So here we need to do the left join between student and department's table, and then where d.id is null. So student id 2, 4, 3 and 7 has not been enrolled in any of the departments, right? Which is no longer exist. So if you see one of the example from here, student id 2. So let me see, student id 2 is department id is 14, but 14 department does not exist. That is our requirement, right? Now let's see for another example 3. So 3 is Steve. Now what is the department id of 3? So department id of 3 is 74, right? So 74 does not exist in the department table. So that is our requirement, right? So thank you so much everyone. We will meet again in the another SQL problem as soon as possible. Thank you.